It is our goal to continue sustainable methods in developing our food production, because food production done in a more natural and sound way actually helps our environment. Our environment today, because it's changing so rapidly, being on an island, can counteract the food production. So what we have been doing, we have been using different practices, organic practices, soil regeneration, minimizing the use of even organic fertilizers, but using raw organic material in order to augment the soil. We are having longer droughts now, so you have to now think outside the box, where you have to create a practice or conservation practice to save water, even in a drought. So we have livestock, we have crops that are growing, and we still have to perform for the development of the different programs we have on farm. So water is one of the things that we have to definitely consume. So sustainable production is going to require the use of water, but in a conservative manner, and also making sure that the ecology of the farm remain as natural as possible. In other words, insects eat insects. Insects that are beneficial to the farm, we want to keep them around. Insects that are probably going to create a harm, those beneficial insects eats them. So therefore, we try to keep a balance on the farm so that we continue have even using less organic pesticide, and we don't use any conventional intrusion into our farm. So that is paramount, that we try to maintain it. So what we pass on to a customer, that customer, we can say definitely you have one of the best food that you're going to consume that is going to be healthy and fit. The backyard gardening we promote because customers wants to grow and they want to get involved. So we will assist them or give them the knowledge of where they can start and how they can start and where they can get seeds that are not genetically modified. Seeds that are not treated, but those things that they can actually do in their backyard, growing something of their own that they would like to have. What we would like others on the mainland to assist us with is to spread the word, or we will partner or collaborate with other organizations within the contiguous United States. We have already begun doing that. We are members of this Federation of Southern Cooperatives, which also has worked with us in the Virgin Islands for the last 20 years. We have SAFAN, the Southeastern African American Organic Network. They also work with us. Now, that type of partnership, along with the partnerships that is within the Virgin Islands, can actually help to raise the awareness of how food is the first right of everyone.